Cold bitch.
What up? It's TokenWhiteBros. We got a blunt of Pineapple Express for you guys. We're about to smoke this. Alright. Smoke this spot.
I don't like it.
So wake and bake. We just got up. Didn't take a shower or anything. We got up, grabbed the blunt, come right outside. It's fucking cold as hell, too.
It's a lot better than I thought it was.
Hey. Tastes good.
Yeah, it does. Get this shit in here.
Hey, hold it like this when you're recording. What?
Hold it like that.
This way, sideways. Oh, nice.
I didn't think that would work like that.
That's pretty good. Worked a little bit.
Super used to that shit.
This stuff is really smooth. Like, no joke. I don't even feel like I'm smoking anything right now. It's weird.
What? Oh, yeah, it's smooth as a bitch. It's a blunt, man. No, I don't feel like I'm smoking anything, but I can definitely feel it hitting me.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna.
No.
How many, we got 2 J's left. We got 2 joints, and then this motherfucker right here made a cross joint last night. On his first try, I was like, damn, nice. I'm about to smoke that at the mall, that cross joint. We'll record it for you guys, too.
This blunt's burning slow. I like it.
I do. It's
Didn't
not that big, but
it didn't feel like it. Well,
there is a lot of weed.
yeah, there's about 1.5 grams in there, and it is Pineapple Express, so we're gonna be fucked up in a few minutes.
This stuff is really fucking good.
I almost dropped your phone.
No, you're all good. Fucking freezing. We didn't go to bed till like fucking 5 in the morning. What time is it right now? Like fucking 8:20.
Oh yeah.
It's like 8:20 right now. His parents just left for work.
Ask me this time when I don't got my phone or watch on me. That's my backyard.
That's the side of his neighbor's house. Oh, hey, the taste of this, the flavor of this.
Dude, your nigga lives in the house.
Hey, this is YouTube. You watch your mouth, dude.
I don't like this shit.
And for your information, you nigger lipped it. You nigger lipped it when you first gave it to me, but I didn't say anything because I'm a good friend.
No, but that's bad though. Look at that. So wet.
What the hell are you talking about? Oh shit, I'm blind. Gee, I need some glasses. Yeah, you told me Aftermath. I was like, what the fuck is Aftermath?
What?
Your lighter's name?
No.
You're like, I named it Aftermath.
No, when I was high, it seemed like such a good idea, and then when I finally got sober, I was like, you know, it's kind of really dumb. I don't like it.
It was Aftermath, though. Remember?
Why would I name it? Yeah, I know, but still, why would I name it?
I don't know. Whew. Dude, we're gonna be so fucked up today. We had an 8th of Pineapple Express. We rolled so many things with it. And we're just planning on smoking all of it today. How would you smoke
That one, a pound for $50.
I don't know. She's probably gonna watch this video too.
Man, I wish I could be getting a pound for $50.
Me too.
Man, we're gonna be getting a pound for free though.
Hey, I'm pretty high. I can keep smoking all day. I'll smoke everything we got right before. Now.
No, you won't.
It's not even like, yeah, I hate that shit. Jeez. My throat doesn't even like hurt. It's just like something's in the back of it tickling it. So like fucking stop. Jeez. You need to name that boulder there, right? Talk about me.
What?
A little bit, guys.
Solution.
Hey, I don't think you got a hit out of that.
I didn't.
I was like that when you gave it to me, so don't even try. Oh, jeez. That'd be cool if Audrey ended up smoking with us. Do you think she would be in a video? Huh? Because she has to. I'm recording the cross joint video, and if she's smoking the cross joint with us, then she's getting fucking recorded. See, dude, this is some good ass shit.
After you're done, just go to. So, do your thing with the video. Damn, I'm coughing.
Alright, YouTube. End result of the blunt Pineapple Express, and that will soon be gone. So check out our next video. We'll be smoking a cross joint. Alright, peace out, YouTube.